Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to unlike multiple posts you've liked by date on Instagram on your PC, thanks to the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the More icon or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to a page where you can see all your interactions, including the posts you've liked. From the Interaction section and the Likes section, you can find the posts you have liked. To make things easier, click on Sort and Filter. Now, you will see an option to enter the start date and end date for the period of the posts you want to unlike. This will help you narrow down your search. After entering the dates, click on Apply to filter out the posts. Next, click on Select to choose the posts you want to unlike. Select the posts by checking the boxes next to them. Once you've made your selection, tap on Unlike and confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully unliked multiple posts on Instagram by date using your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.